Hindi nyo sir yung trabaho kanina ng mga senador kasi all of them, they're former colleagues.
Yes, correct. So, binibigyan natin ang value yung sinasabi nila dahil sila halal ng taong bayan.
Sir, when did the government plan to start the dollar and samurai bonds?
We will be starting now. Yes.
How about, sir, concerning the country's plan for foreign borrowing next year? How can we
That's still next year.
how can we make sure interest rates are as low as possible?
We're waiting for the Fed to reduce the interest rates, and I think the Philippines, our central bank will also reduce possibly.
Sir, there were previous promises na matatapos na yung pagbabayad ng HEA. What makes it different this time na
So as I said earlier, we paid already 127 billion. So posible na walang katapusan din yan. Dahil if I'm not mistaken, parang 2 years yan. So it's 120, 150,000 I think. More or less, 5,000 a month. So syempre, maraming magsasabi, frontliner din sila.
And when you said na kapag inutos ng Congress, do you mean sa 2025 budget dapat there should be a portion instructing the DOF to do the same?
No, sinasabi ko dito, generally speaking, sinundan lang namin yung utos ng Kongreso as far as the unprogrammed funds are concerned. To do a so-called something similar to a bayanihan, which we did. No? And that's why we're able to fund this and hopefully fund other projects. No? So yun ang ibig ko sabihin na sinusundan lang namin ng Kongreso. Kung sa tingin nila, they have another way of funding this project, sabihin lang nila at susunod din kami.
Yung binabanggit po ni Senator BG kanina, it's morally unacceptable. What do you say to that?
As I answered, I think giving jobs, employment to 600,000 people, how can that be immoral? I think it is very 600,000 times moral.
Sir, ano lang, hindi gagalawin ng contribution ng PhilHealth members, nasabi niyo po kanina.
Yes, ang ginagalaw lang dito yung subsidy na binibigay ng national government.
Which is, ayon naman po sa batas talaga.
Ayon sa utos ng Kongreso.
Senate kasama.
Siyempre, Kongreso, House at Senate. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you, Sec. Thank you, Sec.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.